So, good morning, and we are starting today's 4th March from this. What is the name of this place actually? Latham Sau. We are starting from Latham Sau to Thomas Kamus destination. Our destination.
Nongpo.
No. Nongpo, nearby the Nongpo, we will reach today. So, I want to thank our brother, Mridoy Debborma. He arranged everything for us and he sacrificed everything for our team, and we can't forget. And it's memorable and unforgettable. So, I want to thank his family and Babiji and Tete. Please. What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name? Pantui. Pantui and Let me. Pantui and Let me. Okay, borok to support kaika, they support us. So now the time has come to leave this place. So thank you very much once again, and God bless your family. God bless you. God bless you all. Thank you. Okay. Tabok sini start khalifi sinai.
What do you mean by Pantui?
Joto na jani ja. Pantui means our dew. You know dew? Dew. Dew.
On the grass.
That's all this. So by shock is a tick like that. Okay. And why I want to thank another our brother, Jotilal Debborma. He arranged yesterday's our Sarik Nisa Munglana China. She finally so young and tempted one like that. Okay. Sini brother, bonus in baggage among me for Ernst Kayo, Brock, Nikabon Nogo, and get take a shakok. Sini brother, the Brock Gunino, and Kopornomana, Haya, Hypano, one knock, one tongue Tajagaricate, so that way a Brock's Halneromo, born a restaurant. खूब कॉस्टली और जगह रेस्टोरेंट और साल में नहीं पर नहीं रेस्टोरेंट पूरा ऑफ खाई खीप का बोरक सुनो हिम्बत तक लगा रहे नहीं ते चनो चुबना नहीं हम बाकी वो है बोरक दार सुनो बाकी वो संग सेलुट मार नहीं कहीं बॉबी नहीं रेस्टोरेंट बंद खाएं ता साका बनो साका बंद ता खाई नहीं दारा बोरक ना बंद खाई नहीं दफने साथे सालसाफन लगा नहीं आहे नहीं बोरक इनका बन बांगे वो जॉट तो लुकुरक नो सूरी बाजी बने फैमिली काम करें तंग नहीं बन फैमिली और नो Meghalaya na kada mang khaise no borok go chalai thambai ka ha bai hani bahai bai chalai thanga kada ma hai pano